Hi, everybody. Nikola and Augustin here, and we just want to tell you a bit intro to our training we'll do at Power BI 𝗪𝗪𝘁. Of course, we misspelled it, but why did we do this training? So 10 years back when Power BI started, when both of us started working with Power BI, it was pretty easy. One tool, everything easy. You just have a little things here and there to learn. And throughout the last 10 years, we all get our knowledge to a decent level. And now Fabric came in, as you all know. And that's why me and Nikola are preparing this training for all of you. And Nikola will tell you what we'll talk about.
Yeah, what should I do now? That's the most common question we've been hearing from Power BI professionals since Microsoft Fabric was introduced in November 2023. And although most of the traditional Power BI workloads stay the same, there are some new features and capabilities that are exclusively available when you're using Power BI in synergy with Fabric. So you can now leverage, for example, Power Query skills for self-service data preparation with Dataflows Gen2. And then there is also a completely new storage mode for Power BI semantic models called DirectQuery, which tries to combine best from both import and DirectQuery storage modes. And this workshop should serve as a definitive guide to understanding how and to what extent Microsoft Fabric revolutionized the way we are working with Power BI. Once you are done, you will get a better understanding of the various Fabric components, and this understanding can help you to make some better architectural decisions for building scalable analytic solutions and how these decisions may level up your Power BI projects.
Yeah, and with all of that, we invite all of you to sign up and see you 5th of March 2026 in beautiful Utrecht in one of the best conferences for Power BI user community that is out there. See you.
See you there. See you there.